Picture this. It's 1993. Doordarshan is the king of Indian television, and families across the country are gathering around their TV sets every Thursday night for one show that had everyone laughing together. Today we're taking a deep dive, a full retrospective into one of the most beloved and iconic sitcoms of that era, Dekh Bhai Dekh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Longing channel. If you grew up in the 90s, chances are you have fond memories of the Diwan family and their hilarious adventures. Dekh Bhai Dekh wasn't just a TV show, it was a cultural phenomenon that brought three generations together every week. For those who somehow missed this gem, Dekh Bhai Dekh aired on Doordarshan from 1993 to 1994 and later had a brief revival. But in that short time, it left an impact that's still felt today. So grab your chai, settle in, and let's dive into why this show remains one of the most beloved sitcoms in Indian television history. But first, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon because we've got more nostalgic content coming your way. Dekh Bhai Dekh was groundbreaking because it dared to be different. While most Indian TV was dominated by mythological shows and serious dramas, here was a sitcom that focused on the everyday lives of an ordinary upper-middle-class joint family. The show evolved around the eccentric Diwan family, a multi-generational clan living together in a huge ancestral bungalow in Mumbai. And let me tell you, living under one roof with so many distinct personalities was bound to lead to hilarious situations. You had the wise grandparents, the well-meaning but often confused parents, and the mischievous children, each bringing their own flavor of comedy to the mix. What made it special wasn't just the humor, but how relatable it was. Every Indian family could see themselves in the Diwans. The generational gaps, the small misunderstandings that blow up into big comedic situations, the way love always wins in the end. It was like looking into a mirror, but one that made you laugh at yourself. Let's talk about the heart of the show, its incredible ensemble cast. Each character was perfectly crafted and brought to life by talented actors who became household names. Sarala Diwan, played by Sushma Seth, the warm, slightly meddling matriarch who holds the Diwan family together. Durga Das Diwan, played by N.K. Shivpuri, the stern and traditional patriarch of the Diwans, respected and authoritative. Balraj Diwan, played by Naveen Nishchal, the elder son, calm, responsible, and often the voice of reason in the family. Suhasini Diwan, played by Farida Jalal, the expressive, emotional wife of Balraj, often dramatic but caring. Sameer Diwan, played by Shekhar Suman, the younger son, playful and light-hearted, often caught between logic and emotion. Sunita Diwan, played by Bhavna Balsavar, the bubbly and good-natured daughter-in-law, she brings brightness and warmth to the household. Sanju Diwan, played by Vishal Singh, the mischievous young son of Balraj, always up to some fun or mischief. Kirti Diwan, played by Natasha Singh, the emotional, talkative daughter of Balraj and Suhasini, sensitive and expressive. Vishal Diwan, played by Sunny Singh, the younger child of Sameer and Sunita, observant and often a silent witness to family antics. Abha Diwan, played by Karishma Acharya, the younger daughter of Sameer and Sunita, innocent and often navigating sibling dynamics. Sahil Diwan, played by Amar Upadhyay, a relative, Chachu, who occasionally adds to the family dynamics with his visits. Karima, played by Deven Bhojani, the quirky, humorous house help or tenant who contributes comic relief. Shilpa, played by Urvashi Dhulakia, Sanju's girlfriend, possessing charm and occasional drama in her interactions. Dingu, or Dingu, played by Rakesh Thareja, a friendly neighbor or acquaintance who brings lighter side plots. The genius of the show was that there wasn't really a main character. It was truly an ensemble piece where every family member had their moment to shine. What set Dekh Bhai Dekh apart was its writing. The humor was clean, intelligent, and never relied on cheap laughs or offensive stereotypes. The situations were so believable that you'd often think, this happened in my house last week. The show tackled everyday situations, power cuts, noisy neighbors, wedding preparations, exam stress, festival celebrations, and found comedy gold in these ordinary moments. It proved that you don't need elaborate setups or slapstick to make people laugh. Sometimes the best humor comes from life itself. The dialogues were witty without being over the top, and the timing was impeccable. The actors had incredible chemistry, which made their interactions feel natural and spontaneous. You genuinely believed these people were a family. Another brilliant aspect was how the show handled conflicts. Arguments would arise, misunderstandings would happen, but they were always resolved with love, understanding, and often a good laugh. It promoted family values without being preachy. Dekh Bhai Dekh didn't just entertain, it influenced how Indian families saw themselves on television. Before this show, family-oriented content was often overly dramatic or completely unrealistic. This sitcom showed that ordinary families could be interesting, funny, and worth watching. The show became a weekly ritual for families. Thursday nights belonged to the divans, and for those 30 minutes, living rooms across India were filled with laughter. It created shared memories for an entire generation. Many of today's comedy writers and actors cite Dekh Bhai Dekh as an influence. It proved that Indian audiences were hungry for quality sitcoms and paved the way for other comedy shows that followed. Even today, clips from the show go viral on social media. Memes are made from classic scenes, and people quote dialogues from episodes they watched decades ago. That's the mark of truly timeless content. The show was created by Anand Mahendru, who had a vision of creating something that would appeal to every member of an Indian family. The writing team understood the nuances of Indian family dynamics and translated them into comedy gold. What's remarkable is how the show was produced with limited resources compared to today's standards, yet it never felt cheap or poorly made. The focus was always on strong writing and performances rather than flashy production values. The casting was perfect. Each actor seemed born for their role. The chemistry between cast members was so natural that rumors often circulated about whether they were actually related in real life. The show also dealt with the challenge of representing a joint family authentically. In the 1990s, joint families were becoming less common in urban India, but the show celebrated this traditional family structure while acknowledging its comedic potential. Watching Dekh Bhai Dekh today, what strikes you is how much we've lost in terms of simple, wholesome entertainment. The show proved that comedy doesn't need to be crude or controversial to be effective. In today's world of endless content options, there is something beautiful about a show that could bring entire families together. No one had to leave the room because of inappropriate content. Everyone from grandparents to grandchildren could enjoy it together. The show also teaches us about the value of finding humor in everyday life. The Divans weren't rich or glamorous. They were just a regular family who chose to laugh at life's little absurdities rather than get stressed by them. For content creators today, Dekh Bhai Dekh is a masterclass in character development, ensemble storytelling, and the power of relatability. It reminds us that sometimes the most extraordinary entertainment comes from the most ordinary situations. Dekh Bhai Dekh may have ended decades ago, but its legacy lives on. It represents a time when television brought families together rather than driving them to separate screens. It showed us that Indian stories, told with heart and humor, could be just as entertaining as anything imported from abroad. For those of us who grew up watching it, the show remains a beautiful reminder of simpler times. And for younger viewers discovering it today, it's a window into what made 90s television so special. What are your favorite memories of Dekh Bhai Dekh? Which character did you relate to most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, make sure to subscribe for more retrospectives on the shows that shaped Indian television. Until next time, keep laughing, keep remembering, and as the Divans would say, keep finding joy in the little moments of life.